Good morning everybody. Welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. So last video, integral domain definitions. Definition is zero divisors and no zero divisors, integral domain definition, some topics, and one problem is completed. After that, one more problem is also there here. The third problem, second problem is same as in first problem. So see this one, and then third problem I will explain the problem. Show the M2 of Z. So we know that the M2 is nothing but a matrix with 2 by 2 of integers. Matrix with matrix under the M ante matrix 2 ante 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 matrices with Z is an integer set. Okay, integer set యొక్క 2 by 2 matrix ని చూస్ చేసుకోమంటుండు. అయితే over integers is not an integral domain అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. So first of all, what is an integral domain? Integral domain is the first the definition of an integral domain is an which is a commutative ring with unity and no zero divisors. Commutative ring with unity and no zero divisors. What is no zero divisors? We already learned no zero divisors means a into b equals to 0 అయితే then a equals to 0 or b equals to 0, that is known as a no zero divisors. Okay, that is the definition of an integral domain. Our matrix set with 2 by 2 matrices is not a integral domain, we prove it. Okay, we go further. We have to consider first M2 of Z. First of all, M2 of Z and with 2 by 2 matrices integer set. This is an integer set we taken choosing A, B, C, D elements. Now we go for the process. First of all, we proving integral domain, we proving commutative ring with unity. Okay, commutative unity, okay, commutative property, unity means identity. So ring means first we satisfies R under addition is an abelian group. R under addition, ring R is a ring kabatti R plus is an abelian group we proving. But here which is a ring, which is an integral domain, that is a ring. So that is an M2 of Z, and M2 of Z under addition we proving abelian group. What we have to do in that abelian group? And that abelian group we satisfies closure associative identity inverse. Okay, we go for the first property, closure property. So any two elements are in R లో ఉంటే their addition is also R లో ఉంటే R is a ring అని చెప్తాం, which R is satisfies closure property అని చెప్తాం. Here in the place of R, which term is there? M2 of Z. And any two elements in M2 of Z లో ఉంటే A, B, C is in M2 of Z లో ఉంటే A plus B is also under addition is also in M2 of Z లో ఉండాలి. So A and B అనేవి we taken M2 of Z లో ఉన్న elements under addition is also in M2 of Z. How to say that the under addition is in M2 of Z? And Z is an integer set, and either 2, 3 elements in Z లో ఉన్నవి అనుకుంటే 2 plus 3 under 5 is also in Z కదండి. అంటే Z is an minus infinity to plus infinity, addition is also satisfied. That's why we satisfies the closure property. After associative nothing but which is an equivalence condition. If equivalence condition means LHS equals to RHS we proving, అంటే left hand side and right hand side both are equal లో ఉండాలి. So we taken as a left hand side A plus B plus C. So A value, this is a plus C value, adding both terms. After addition we simplify these terms, and A B plus A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C. So those is the which is only nothing but associative property, which is an equivalence condition is unsatisfied, associative also satisfied. After that we go for the identity. This is the main important condition, identity and the inverse elements. Main closure associative is an equivalence condition, there is nothing to prove in that, but closure is an proving condition. Okay, after identity, so we know that the identity under addition element under addition, the identity element is in 0. So general set లో ఉన్నప్పుడు the identity element is in general set means natural number set లో ఉంటుందండి, రియల్ నెంబర్స్, ఇంటీజర్ నెంబర్స్, హోల్ నెంబర్ సెట్లో. under addition the identity element is in 0, we say this one. But our set is in what? Our set is in M2 of Z and a matrix set. Generally the identity element is 0, our matrix form the identity element becomes 0 0 0 0. This we say this. So this is the main important condition we taking. So M2 of Z 0 is taken as in 0 0 0. Why you have to use 0 0? And our set is in what? M2 of Z. M2 matrix set with 2 by 2 matrix X integer set elements we choosing. So identity element under addition 0. That's why we taken as in this formation. Okay, so what we have to do in that identity property, general condition a plus e equals to e plus a equals to a form కావాలి. So in the e place is in what? Identity element 0. అంటే a plus 0 equals to a form అవుతుందా లేదా? Then easily formed. a1 plus 0 a1, b1 plus 0 b1, c1 plus 0 c1, d1 plus 0 d1. It becomes a. Similarly 0 plus a equals to a formed. So that's why identity element is also satisfied, identity property. After we go for the inverse property. So identity is also similarly we can 0 plus a, 0 is in our identity matrix under addition. Okay, after we go for the inverse property. So inverse is in condition generally under multiplication, under addition the inverse element is in minus a. So we taken as in minus a elements. A is in already considered a, b, c, d, a1, b1, c1, d1. Okay, under inverse element is in minus a. That's why minus a1 minus b1 minus. What is the condition of an inverse property? A plus b equals to b plus a equals to e కావాలి. E is in nothing but in above condition E is nothing but identity element. What is the identity element? 0. అంటే a plus b equals to 0. What we have to choose to get 0 అంటే b plus లో ఏం చూస్ చేసుకుంటే 0 వస్తుందంటే మైనస్ a. అంటే a plus minus a equals to 0 రావాలి. చెక్ చేసుకోండి. a plus minus of a1 minus a1 0, b1 minus b1 0, c1 minus c1 0, d1 minus d1 0. Nice. Inverse property is also satisfied. After that inverse is satisfied, we go for the commutative. The 5 properties is nothing but a abelian group. Okay, the commutative is also equivalence condition. LHS equals to RHS. We take it as an a plus b, we get b plus c. Therefore the matrix under addition with 2 by 2 matrix is an abelian group. Satisfied. After abelian group is satisfied, we go for the process of an semi group. After the ring with unity means under addition abelian group satisfy cheyali. Under multiplication we proving semi group. Commutative ring with unity kabatti, so semi group and commutative property and unity identity property, these 4 properties satisfied, which is a commutative ring with unity aitundi. After we go for the no zero divisors. Okay, first property closure a into b or multiply chesta compulsory and which is in m2 of z and 2 3 అనేవి z లో ఉన్నప్పుడు 2 into 3 also is in z లో ఉంటుంది. So that's why closure is also satisfied. Associative is also satisfied, which is an equivalence condition. Identity, this is the main under multiplication. This is under multiplication. Observe clarity. This is under multiplication. Under multiplication the identity element is in what? Generally 1. Okay, so 1 is our identity element. In that matrix form identity element జనరల్లీ మీరు ఇంతకుముందుకు అడగొచ్చండి, ఇంతకుముందుకు ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్ 0 కాబట్టి 0 0 0 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫార్మేషన్ తీసుకుని ఇక్కడ కూడా 1 1 1 చూజ్ అనేది చేసుకుంటలేరు అని వచ్చారు. సో 1 1 1 చూజ్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ కావాలి? ఐడెంటిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ అంటే ఏ ఇంటూ ఈ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఈ ఇంటూ ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏ ఫామ్ కావాలి. సో ఈ 1 1 1 1 చూజ్ చేసుకుంటే విచ్ ఇస్ డస్ నాట్ ఫామ్ అన్ ఏ అండి. అంటే వి మల్టిప్లై ఐడెంటిటీని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వి డస్ నాట్ ఫామ్. So that's why we taken as an 1 0 0 1 in under matrix formation the identity element 1 0 0 1 and 2 by 2 matrix. So that's why 1 0 0. So identity is also satisfied. After that commutative, identity satisfied, closure associative satisfied. After commutative ring with unity we satisfied, then it is known as a integral domain and which satisfies no zero divisors, which is known as the integral domain. Commutative property is not satisfied. Observe a into b some element, b into a some element which is not equal. So this problem is already completed in ring formation. Some ring lo avinandi manaki okasa check cheskondi. A into b is not equals to b into a. That's why commutative property is not satisfied. So in this way we stopping the process, but the problem is continued. So commutative is not satisfied, we go for the distributive loss. So distributive loss is an equivalence condition, that's why compulsory satisfy అవుతుంది. Under addition, multiplication, m2 of z is not a commutative ring with unity. Not a commutative ring with unity. Not a no zero divisors. No zero divisors కాదండి, which is not a commutative ring with unity. So that's why which is not satisfies integral domain. And commutative ring with unity ని satisfy కాలేదు. That's why we say that the which is not a integral domain. Okay, this is the process to finding the integral domain problem. So just this one and pin the one below problem ఉంది. So a and b c are the theorem అండి. Then belongs to in integral domain if some condition is there. AB equals to AC అయితే B equals to C అని చూపించమంటుండు. BA equals to C అయితే B equals to C. Just observe this one which is a cancellation loss in group. Observe చేస్తారా? గ్రూప్స్లో క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లాస్ ఉన్నాయండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద లెఫ్ట్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లా. ఏ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే వి గెట్ బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు సి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లా. ఏ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే విచ్ ఈస్ అన్ బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు సి. ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ గ్రూప్ వి లెర్నింగ్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లాస్ హియర్. సో జస్ట్ సింప్లిఫై అంటే వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇన్ దట్ అంటే ఏ ఇంటూ బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏ ఇంటూ సి చూస్ చేసుకుంటే వి గెట్ బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు సి రావాలి. ఓకే, సో ఏబి ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏసీ వి చూసింగ్. ఏ అనేది ఆల్వేస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు జీరో అంట. AC goes to this side minus AC. The common element is an A, B minus C equals to 0. But the question is an A is not equals to 0. And two elements ఉన్నాయి in integral domain. The question is a R has integral domain. Integral domain means no zero divisors. No zero divisors. The divisors of a condition in the A into B equals to 0 అయితే either A equals to 0 or B equals to 0 కదా. సో ఇన్ దర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద A అనుకోండి, టోటల్ సెట్ B అనుకోండి. అంటే A into B equals to 0 మోడల్లో ఉంది. సో వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు చూజ్? ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 అయినా చూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 అయినా చూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. బట్ ద గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏ అనేది నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 అని మెన్షన్ చేసింది. దట్స్ వై వి టేకెన్ బి మైనస్ సి ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. బి మైనస్ సి ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 కాబట్టి దెన్ బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు సి. This is our first question. At the same time second, BA equals to CA. CA goes to this side, BA minus CA equals to A also common. So R has a no zero divisors. That's why A is a not equals to 0. Then B minus C equals to 0. So this is the right cancellation law. This is the left cancellation law. So this is the another theorem. So just check the theorem and problems in the notes. We will continue next topic in the next video.